In this video, we're going to talk about how to create an email signature using the Design Studio. So let's start by clicking on Real Estate Templates and go down to Email Signatures. You'll see a handful of designs pop up. Choose whichever one you like. I'm going to go with this one. And that looks pretty good. So I'm going to click Create Design. All right, that looks pretty good. You'll notice that my personal logo and my company logo kind of clash here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete my personal logo, and I'm going to expand the company logo. Just click the corner and drag it, and then click on the field and recenter it. You can change the font size on any of this, and you can change the layout, but I'm happy with what I see. I don't think I need to make any changes. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. I'm going to download it as a PNG. Click download. All right, so now that's downloaded and it's actually saved on my computer. So now let's talk about how to use that signature. Now, to use your new signature, go to whatever email provider you use. I'm using Gmail. And go ahead and open up the settings. Click on the little gear icon here. And once that opens up, I'm going to click on See All Settings. Now I'm going to scroll down until I see the signature section. And there it is. And I'm going to click Create New. Now it's going to ask me to give it a name. So let's just name this Ellie Webb. Create. Simple as that. And I can insert an image on this, or I can type anything in there I want. I'm just going to click Insert Image. And I've already uploaded this to my drive. You can actually upload it from your computer as well. But I'm going to go ahead and select that. And there it is. It's in there. Now all I have to do is tell that I want to use that on both my new emails and my reply emails. And Gmail does require you to save changes. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to compose an email real quickly so you can see what that's going to look like. There we go. As you can see, it's a nice clean signature. Everything's crisp and sharp, and it is ready to go. I hope this has made it easy for you to set an email signature for yourself. If you have any other questions about our services or the Design Studio, go to the Agent Elite knowledge base at help.agentelite.com.